So for a contractor that's in maybe that like let's say over the 5 million hump, like they're in the $6 to $10 million range. What does like a healthy kind of QuickBooks centered tech stack look for them? Let's say they're a commercial contractor, maybe they're mechanical or an electrical
Okay.
or an electrician or something of that nature
Great.
versus a GC.
Great. Yeah. If it's a GC, there are other software applications and third parties that we would recommend that are better aligned to GC. When it comes to the specialty subs, especially even on the service side, that's really where we like to recommend Notify. And the reason why is because we can take the QuickBooks environment, and it doesn't matter if it's QuickBooks, doesn't matter if it's IES, we can then layer on Notify to do it. And we look at it in a combination of things. Number one, job setup management, right? We can control the contract at the very get-go with the different options that you guys have available. The next layer of it is really around the way to create budgets and then to turn around. And from the budgets, we can create commitments and we can tie those together. And then we can then from the budget also create the schedule value, which then turns into our AI billing. So we're all these things that we really can't do on the QuickBooks side, we can do them on the Notify side. The other thing I love about Notify, and this is a big part of kind of maybe one of the things that QuickBooks is not great at, is control. And so we can create restrictions that only allow certain things to be costed based on what the budgetary items are. And so that's something that on the QuickBooks side, hey, if I'm trying to cost something, I have something that's in my bank feed, I see everything. It doesn't cascade based on the project I chose. And so those restrictions are very helpful in maintaining good, clean data and so forth. So then from all of this, then we can actually generate job cost reports. We can generate WIP and do all that within the Notify platform and application. Furthermore, the field service side is great. So if they're, like you said, if they're a mechanical business or a plumbing business and they have a service side to it, utilizing those service orders is a lean approach to being able to job cost, but not have to go into all the intricacies of developing a full job cost platform. One of the things that we hear all the time that customers really is the time feature. And so everything in one spot to where they can go out, do the work, they can attach expenses, they can do the billing and everything from a single portal.